Ahoy mga ka-t-shirt! Nandito naman Mike V, T-Shirt Guy, to give you personal development topics and IT and tech stuffs. Ngayon, we will be having an Unboxify Journey again for this item na malamang IT item ito, di ba? So, kung gusto nyo malaman kung ano ang nasa loob netong mystery item na to, stay tuned mga ka-t-shirt. Okay, so itong item na to is an SSD. It's not an internal SSD but it is an external SSD. Anong product ito? Malalaman natin pag bukas natin nito. So, without further ado, let's open this bad boy. Dahan-dahan. Kita nyo naman ha. Napaka balot na balot ng bubble wrap. So, this is the invoice. Kailangan ko to. Then, let's open this one. Diba? May karton pa. Tignan nyo naman, may karton mga guys. Ito na. Ang Sandisk Extreme Portable SSD having a 500 gigabytes of space or of memory storage. So sabi nila, read and write niya is 550 MB per second. So tignan natin kung it will live to the expectation. Okay? Ano ba tong specs natin? It is a rugged IP55 or IP55 water and dust resistant and also a shock resistant, drop resistant of 2 meters. Okay, shock proof din siya, vibration resistant with a solid state core withstand 2 meter drop. It is also supported with Type C with Type A compatible adapter. Tingnan natin kung gaano to kaliit. So let's open this one, and it is also a 3-year warranty. Now, sabi dun sa seller. Thank you kay Lazada for me to have this product, no? So, kita nyo naman. Yan na siya. So, this is the Extreme SSD Portable of Sandisk, no? Napakanipis. Kita nyo yan? Very thin bezels. Grabe. Diba? Napakanipis. Kitang-kita nyo kung gaano kanipis yan. Tanggalin na natin yung strap. Kita niyo yan? Diba? Napakanipis. So, it is a rubber finish material. No? Rubber to. So, maybe, perhaps, dahil shockproof siya, so kaya ginawa nilang rubber to. And then, on the surface, rubberized din siya. No? Para siguro, ma-absorb niya lahat ng mga drop problems or yung mga gas-gas and yung maalog sa loob. So, dahil nga shock resistant siya. And it's also waterproof resistant din. So, mini-make sure naman nila na up to 2 meters, kayang-kaya niyang i-withstand yung water and dust. And, of course, the drop. So, yan, makikita niyo dyan, 500 gigabytes of memory storage. So, kita nyo naman yung engrave nung Sandisk dito. No? Napakaliit niya. Kung titignan nyo, parang more or less, it's 3.1 inch. Sobrang liit. Maliit na ako, di ba? So, mas maliit pa to. Tingnan nyo sa kamay ko. Bakit nga ba ako bumili nito? Unang-una, lahat ng mga external hard disk ko is a Type A or USB 3.0. So, ang hirap. Maglalagay pa ako ng adapter and imbes na Type C na lang lahat. So, it's easier for me to transfer and to do my editing with regards to using this one. So, napaka-portable niya. Ganun siya ka-handy. Ganun siya kagaan na to the point na parang wala na siyang weight. So, sana gumana siya. Yun lang ang dasal ko ngayon. Sana gumana. So, in the box, you have the manual and also, you have the wires, no? Ito yung sinasabi natin kanina na meron siyang USB-C, na compatible din sa Thunderbolt ports ni MacBook Pro. And you have also a Type A connector na I suppose it is a USB 3.0 as well. Actually, parang magkasing bigat nga lang sila nito at saka nitong, parang konti lang ang diferensya. Mas mabigat pa yung wire or the same lang. So, ito, kakabit mo lang dito yan. So, meron ka ng USB Type A for you to connect on your regular laptops. Let's check it na kung the same ba kung ano yung kino-commercialize dito sa box, na if it is a portable SSD with 550 MB of writing and reading speed per second. Okay, to give you perspective kung gaano kaliit siya, ito, tignan natin. This was my SSD when I was teaching. It's around 2012. So, this is a Toru 1TB SSD. And this is the one that I got when I was in Apex. So, I got this from a raffle. This is around 2019. And this is the Sandisk. What are the differences with regards to the size? So, this is a large. Tingnan nyo kung gaano ka nipis. So, sa sobrang nipis niya, it can't stand on its own. So, ganyan ka-portable and ganyan ka-handy. Kasya to dun sa mini pocket ng mga pantalon nyo. Ganun siya ka-liit, no? So, let's try this on the speed limits, the writing, and the speed of this when we are using MacBook Pro. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so ikakabit lang natin yan. So, kabit lang natin tong USB-C. So, any naman, pwede naman yan. So, let's try. Let's try na. Oop! Makikita nyo dito sa upper right na lalabas na si Extreme SSD. Let's click that one. Tapos, let's check kung ano yung information available with the Extreme SSD. So, yan. So, meron siyang, so it's an expat format. It's a 500 GB. Let's check on this utility. Let's click on this one. So, yeah, makikita nyo dito, nandito yung Extreme SSD. Let's have it erase. Ayan. So, expat. So, lahat naman, sabi nila, it is working in both Windows and Mac OS. Pero just to make sure lang, we will have it in solely intended for Mac OS, which is the journaled one. And let's rename this T-Shirt Guy. And let's erase. So, napakabilis lang, di ba? So, I have this one. So, kitang-kita nyo naman, I have still 500 gigabytes. Diba? So, and I have a 48.1 MB for retrieval capability of the SSD, just for backup. Then, so let's try naman if mabilis din siya, kagaya nung nasa sinasabi dun sa box. So, ano nga ba yun? Blackmagic speed test. Ito, freeware siya sa Apple. So, let's try this one para ma-check natin kung gumagana nga or kung 550 MB per second siya. So, just click here, the T-Shirt Guy SSD, which is the Extreme SSD portable ni Sandisk. And let's open this one and let's start speed test. So, we have 404 for write. And we have 418.7 for read. So, compared to the other HDD that I have before, grabe yung difference niya. On the Western Digital, we have only 36 MB per second. So, tingnan niyo yung difference, no? From 400 to my daily drivers, napaka-laki ng diferensya, times 4. So, I think it's worth the amount. So, nakita naman natin kung gaano to ka-handy at kung gaano to ka-portable, kung gaano to kaganda when it comes to when we are comparing this to other SSD. If you want to buy this, it's available on your favorite online shopping website. Napakadali lang to hanapin. So, type nyo lang Extreme SSD Sandisk. It's more or less amounting around 5,000 to 6,000 pesos. If you have the budget naman, no, go for this one. Based sa mga YouTube na napanood ko, pinakamalaki yung value when it comes to the price itself. Compared to Western Digital, compared to Samsung, Evos na SSD, this is the top of the line. This is something that you look for comes to portable and extreme SSDs around in the market right now. Okay mga ka-t-shirt, i-announce na natin kung ano yung raffle natin by next week. So keep in touch. Kung gusto nyong manalo ng exciting prizes, please follow and like that Facebook page, which is at TeeShirt Guy PH. Doon ko i-announce kung ano yung mga mechanics para makuha nyo ang tumataginting na giveaways, no? Surprise muna yan. Kung ako sa inyo, i-like, share, and subscribe nyo na tong channel na to, and follow me on my Facebook page as well. I think yun lang. Keep safe everyone. See you next week para sa isa na namang T-Shirt Guy vlog.